Hello, my name is Clint Button. I'm a professional granite sculptor. I've established Carolina Sculpture Studio about 20 years ago. I work mostly in granite, do some bronze, some marble, some limestone, some wood, some metal, a little bit of everything. But the piece that I brought in to the airport is submitted. It's a memento, and it's an old form. They're usually done and then put out to a high tourist area so that a passing tourist that may have lost a child will look and see, and it'll remind them of that child, and they'll buy it and take it home as a memento. Open Doors Studio is very important to finally have some coverage for artists in Spartanburg County. I think we've got 45 approximately studios lined up to participate, and we'd love to have you come out and see what we do.